Araw mga boss. So today discussion is about transformer let through current. So ano ba yung transformer let through current? So this is the prospective short circuit current of the transformer secondary side, taking into account the impedance of the transformer. So from the word itself, let through current, this is something that means allowing something to pass through or continue. So ibig sabihin, ano ba yung inaalaw lang ni transformer para makadaan yung isang short circuit current. So in electrical engineering, this means for example, meron kang transformer at meron kang available short circuit sa utility na 400 MVA. So how much doon sa 400 MVA ang iaalaw lang ni transformer to pass kapag nagkaroon ng short circuit current, short circuit sa 400 bus or doon sa secondary side ng transformer. So yan yung tinatawag na let through current. So paano ba natin i-calculate yung let through current? So for example, circuit. So first step na gagawin natin is kailangan natin ma-determine yung MVA short circuit ng mismong transformer. So simple lang naman yung calculation niyan para mo ma-determine yung short circuit ng transformer. So i-divide mo lang yung impedance ng transformer, yung nakikita nating percent Z, doon sa MVA rating ng ating transformer. In our case, we have 2 MVA transformer and 6.75% na impedance. So meron tayong short circuit MVA ng transformer na equivalent sa 29.6 MVA. To find the let through current, ito, let through current kapag nagkaroon ng short circuit, three-phase short circuit sa 400 volts bus. So ayan yung formula. So yung contribution ng utility, short circuit current, and yung contribution ng short circuit MVA ng ating transformer. So it looks like parallel connection. So MVA let through current is 1 divided by sum ng 1 over 400 plus 1 over yung short circuit MVA ng transformer, which is 29.6. So meron tayong 27.62 MVA. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Only 27.62 MVA short circuit MVA ang magpapass through sa secondary side ng transformer kapag nagkaroon ka ng 3-phase short circuits sa secondary side ng transformer. Meaning, hindi lahat ng 400 MVA ay makakarating sa secondary side ng transformer kapag nagkaroon ka ng 3-phase short circuit. Yan yung tinatawag na MVA short circuit current, let through MVA short circuit current. So to calculate yung let through current, simple lang, power formula. So MVA let through divided by square root ng 3 divided by bus voltage mo, yung secondary voltage mo ng transformer. So in our case, we have 400 volts na secondary side ng transformer. So 27.62 MVA divided by square root ng 3 divided by 0.4 kV. Meron tayong let through current na 39.87 kiloampere. So yan yung mame-measure na let through current sa secondary side ng transformer, 39.87 kiloampere. So bakit mahalaga yan? Dito kasi yung let through current, ginagamit natin yan sa pag size ng equipment rating ng ating mga circuit breaker. Kung mapapansin mo dito, ginagamit niya sa pag-size ng CAIC rating ng ating circuit breaker. Protection coordination, ginagamit din yan. And yung ating switch gear selection. So that's all about let through current. Thank you and God bless mga boss.